hi everybody, it's Doug. It's been a while since my last video. I guess another Stock Lock Sunday ago, and I know I missed the real Stock Lock Sunday, but I guess this one qualifies closely enough. I have father and son locks. These are both Guard Padlocks, and I'm actually pretty impressed with them. 833 and 834 are the models. They have some very nice spools inside of them. So let's start with the baby, and we'll get that lined up for a good view, hopefully. Doing the deforest diamond in 18 thousandths. And let us see. So there's spring tension on the core. And 1, 2, I gotta click on 2, 3, nothing on 4, back to 1. Okay, a little more movement back there. 1, 2, 3 gave me a click, and 4. And basically, once I maneuver around enough, okay, I'm going to stop counting because I want to get this one through. But basically, we're going to start seeing, I must have hit a spool already because I've got a little bit of rotation on the core, a little bit of a false set. Once I get to a certain point, this gives a nice deep false set. So just poking my way through. Okay, got to be careful with the tension. Too much, too little. There's definitely a sweet spot here. Come on, don't make me look bad. I still got to get to your daddy. Little lock. Okay. 1. There's some counter on 2, on 3. Okay, number 1. Nowhere. 2, give me some clicks. Number 3. Alrighty. I think I just got up over the hump on one of those. Hardest part is actually getting set on the pins. They feel like they're tiny pins. Oh, okay. Reset, start again. Light tension while we find the false set. Okay, got a false set. There's a nice deep false set finally. I swear the daddy goes faster. Maybe just my clumsy hands. Okay. There we are. Boy, that was too much of a fight. Well, believe it or not, the daddy puts up less of a fight. Generally. Probably that small keyway. So hopefully we'll make quick work of this and get you guys back to whatever you're doing during your day. Okay, almost immediately touched key pin 1 and got some rotation, false set. Okay, hit number 3, I believe that was, and got a deep false set. Now this one likes to make you jump back and forth. I will set pin 1. You see the counter. Oh, okay, never mind. Well, he was having a good day. There we are. Father and son, Guard Padlocks, 833 and 834, and 30 and 40 millimeter. Thanks so much for your time, everybody. Have a great day. It's already Monday here, but we'll call this a Stock Lock Sunday. Shh, don't tell anyone. Take care. Thanks. Please subscribe, like, and comment.